Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable Steam, allowing to share your IP address over various games. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Select the Steam tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select In-Game, and then on the right side at the bottom where it says Steam Networking, allow games using Steam Networking to share my IP address for a faster connection. If you click inside the drop down here, you can set it to either never, friends only, or always. And then you just make your change from there, and you could select never, for example, and then select OK. And that's all you have to do. So a pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.